I think what you say is true, that infrastructure projects have had a bad innings in the last 5 years or so. And there are a lot of infrastructure projects which are held up. So I think the first priority should be to push through those which are held up, especially in the power sector and the road sector. And in particular, those projects which are in the last mile, where they are waiting for final piece of debt or equity, final clearances. For example, there's a power project I know somewhere in the middle of the country, I don't want to name the state, and there's a coal mine, both are ready. In between, a railway line of 16 kilometers has to be laid, and that is waiting for environmental clearances. These are kind of things that can be pushed through very, very quickly to complete, and then you will get a lot of benefits there. But you move away from these. I think we need more port, because we are importing a lot. We need to focus on ports. And I do see that the government has taken a lot of initiatives in ports now, but this needs to be pushed through. But if you ask me for my priority, I would put priority on two totally different areas. One is agriculture food chain, because the food inflation that is happening is substantially because food from the farmer is not reaching the market. I mean, if you go outside Chennai about 100 kilometers, the price of fruits is one half. It doesn't need to be 100% markup just to bring it to Chennai. So I think the food chain, which means a long chain of warehouses, cold storage, of making sure that transportation is through cold storage chains, storage and distribution. There are enough retailers available. Just to make it happen, to make it available to them, is something is very important. The other most important problem in the next 5 years is urban problem of water and waste management. We don't have a solution, because we believe that it should be given to the states give it to the municipalities, each municipality tries to struggle on its own. So we need a big program for a clean India. So if I were to say two things, one is I would say food and clean India to be the two most important infrastructure messages.